Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create a listicle video in Invideo AI. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on the website of Invideo AI, which is ai.invideo.io. And once we are now on the website, all we have to do is to click this Create AI Video. So what we're going to do here is to create a video. So we will give the topic to Invideo AI, and then we're just going to type the topic that we want to, and then Invideo AI will automatically create it for us. So it's just a one-click video, and then you now have your own video to share or to post it on your social media accounts. So let's say for example that we want to create a listicle video about traveling. So all we have to do is to type. And then after you're done with this, all we have to do is to click generate a video, and then Invideo AI will create the video for you. After that, let's just leave it as it is, but you can also of course change that, and let's click continue. And after that, if you're done with this, all you have to do is to click this download button right here, and then click continue, and then you will now be good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRick's tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.